Hey guys, Curlingseb here, and today I will try to make my own curling shoes. Emphasis on try. So a friend from Denmark recently made his own curling shoes, and I decided I want to give it a try as well. So what you need is a pair of shoes, some gripper discs and slider discs. These are from Ashen, some Velcro, sandpaper, a pair of scissors or a knife, and some glue. So the idea here is quite simple. You take your shoes, you sand them down a bit to get more bonding surface. You glue on the Velcro and you stick your grippers or sliders to the Velcro. I have already sanded these down quite a bit, but I will give this one a little extra rub down. I have my shoe, my sandpaper, and this is actually the shoe box, which is really neat when you need to rub these down, because then you can put all the excess rubber just down in the box. The sandpaper I'm currently using is P60, and I'll just sand this down a little bit more in this area. Nice. Next step is cutting out the Velcro for the discs. All done with the final preparations, and now for the exciting part, the glue. I don't know exactly how this works, but it is supposed to work on rubber, so I hope it will work on my shoes. Apparently you're supposed to put glue on both surfaces, so the Velcro and the shoe, and then wait 15 minutes. And after about 15 minutes you can just put them together and just press hard for 3 seconds, and that should be it. So let's give it a try. That was the first shoe. Let's wait for about 15 minutes and see how it goes. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes now. Let's do this. Looks like it worked, guys. Now we'll just have to try to find a way how to get this excess glue out of the way. Let's do the other shoe. Gluing is done, so let's wait for a little while before we put the pieces together. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, and one of the reasons why I didn't do both shoes in one go was because, well, I've never done this before, so in case I messed up I would have the chance to maybe fix it with the second shoe. Anyways, let's put the pieces together. And there you have it, guys, the final result. Your own personal curling shoes. If you want to see whether or not these actually worked, you can have a look at the video up there. If you enjoy this little tutorial and maybe you got inspired to make your own curling shoes, don't forget to like, comment, I don't know why I do this, or play the piano, and subscribe. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I will see you again in the next video.
Curlingseb.